Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use a file converter. First, understand what a file converter does. It transforms a file from one format, like a PDF, into another, such as a Word document. This is incredibly useful for ensuring your files work across various software and devices. We will cover selecting the right tool, the conversion steps, and what to do after your files are transformed. Let's get started with the basics of choosing your converter. Choosing the right file converter is crucial for a smooth experience. You need to ensure the converter supports both the original file type and the format you want to convert it to. For example, if you need to convert a video, check for specific video formats. Decide if an online tool, which is often quick and free, or a desktop application, offering more features and offline access, best suits your needs. Always verify the converter's reputation to protect your data. Once you have selected your converter, the process is straightforward. First, you will typically upload the file you wish to convert. Most interfaces have a clear upload or browse button. Next, you will choose the target format from a drop-down menu or list. For instance, converting a JPEG to a PNG. After confirming your selections, click the Convert button. The software will then process your file, and you can download the newly converted version, often within seconds. After converting your file, always open and check it to ensure the conversion was successful and the content is intact. Sometimes, formatting or quality can change, so a quick review is essential. Consider renaming and organizing your new files into appropriate folders to maintain a tidy digital workspace. This makes finding them later much easier. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you master file conversions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.